Hey, I'm Melissa, and this is 5 Things. So the weather forecast here today in Nanaimo at VIU is quite cloudy, and there's definitely some showers coming down on us, as it has been for the past few weeks. So today I want to share with you 5 tips on how to avoid the rain at VIU. Buy an umbrella from the VIU bookstore. Come check out the newly opened Starbucks and grab yourself a warm drink to get away from the rain. Also, I just found out that the Student Union pub sells, I feel like I shouldn't be saying this here, but they sell tea and coffee as well. So if you want a change of scenery, go head down there. Another way to escape the rain is by going and checking out the World Bridger film series that happens every Thursday night. It's in building 356 at 7 p.m. Every week they have a different show. They're really interesting from around the world. Go check it out if you just want to have a movie night and take a break from studying. You can take cool Instagram photos like raindrops on windows, aesthetic puddles with leaves in them, partially soaked textbooks, more partially soaked hair, completely soaked feet. Another great place to hide away from the rain that you may not know about is the Gathering Place. It's the support center for Aboriginal students on campus, but they welcome everyone to come enjoy their warm study spot, and most of the time they have free bannock.